We're here with Sophie and Carlo, who's going to discuss about how the AI pouring drink solution works.
So, we have a hardware part which is connected to the neck of a bottle. It fits to all sizes of the necks, and basically it measures how much alcohol or drink in the water container is left and how many is being poured. It is connected to the POS system, so it grabs the normative of the POS and feeds it to this little device. And this little device knows how much should it pour by the normative. So it also works with the cocktails, and it works in parallel or in series. So for example, if you want, if there are two bottles that are part of the cocktail, it can be poured simultaneously or just once at a time.
That's very cute.
Yeah. Thanks. And so how is it poured? It basically is reversed, and with a little twist, you get the exact dosage. And if you turn it beforehand, it tells you that it was not finished. The dose was not finished correctly. So if you were to pour the correct dosage, for example from this one, with a little bit of twist, you wait all the way, and when it's finished, it will only give you a green light.
Green light.
Yeah, and it is all connected also to the system, to the Sophie, which is a software part, and it knows, for example, a little bit of mixing. It knows where it was poured, the location it was poured. So basically, it knows which part, where is it located, at which temperature it was poured, which humidity, etc. So basically, there are a lot of infos that are being fed by this little device to the software part.
Wow, that's a great idea. All right, well, thank you so much and good luck at CES.
Thank you. Thank you.